Man, woman, woman, man. See what I said there? Hey, yo, to be honest, I be using stock sounds, stock drums all day, all through the night, to the next day. You know what I'm saying? So that's what I be up to. That's what I be doing. Using FL Studio 21. Um, Look at all them sounds. Look at all them drums I be using. Instrument presets, drum presets, percussion presets, whatever you want to call it. But yeah, I be putting the stock sounds and the stock percussions into the channel rack, and I be all like, I be messing around with it in the sampler and mix I set up the drums and I mix. It's like I mix the drums and I kind of do, but I don't. But I mix it. Yeah, I mix the drums. Yeah, that's what. Yeah, I mix the drums. I mess around with the settings, and I be like, I add the melody into it, and I be like, oh my god, that joint is hard. Then I add another layer to it. I know it's a crappy video, but I don't care. You know what I'm saying? I'm being original. Originator. Um, but yeah, I don't think anybody else is doing it like that, like I do. I mean, like as in right now, but I'm making happy, I'm making sad type beats. I'm making sad or happy type beats all day, every day for the rest of my life. Even when I'm old, I'm making sad and happy type beats. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna make like 5,000 beats like that until I can't put no more beats on my computer, until I can't put no more beats on my SD card, stuff like that, you know. So this is what I'll be doing for the rest of my life forever. Like, I'm so obsessed with it now. I'll be sitting in front of my computer making sad and then happy type beats, and then it's like it's a pattern. It's a cycle. You know what I'm saying? This is what I be doing. You know what I'm saying? And keep me busy. You know what I'm saying? Self-discipline. Put myself on punishment. Be all locked in. You know what I'm saying? And I train my brain to make these happy and sad type beats really good. I train my brain to do that really good when making my beats like that, happy or sad. You know what I'm saying? I need to get back to doing that because I used to be so good at it before, but I wasn't even really learning. Like I didn't know how to learn back in the day. I was just like, oh, okay, it's FL Studio 8. It's a freestyle. I said freestyle, but yeah, it could be a freestyle, but it's not. Um, but yeah, it's a FL Studio 21 trial version demo that I be using. You know what I'm saying? And it still sounds good. And that's how I be making my beats. I don't care. Crappy video, crappy beats, whack beats that sound good. Hey, it's a good combination.